Okay, so I want to go over how you can create toolpaths for an existing DXF in Torchmate CAD. So the first thing we want to do is we have a set of different exterior and interior lines. These square lines are going to be the part, and then we want to scribe this text on the part. So the first thing we want to do is take all our cut lines and go to Layout, Group, or you can just press Ctrl-G. And then we want to take our text. If we had multiple strings of text, we would also have to group them using the same procedure. Since we only have one piece of text, we don't have to do that. Now, the next thing we want to do is select all of our part lines so we can create a toolpath for them. So we're going to go to Machine, Create Toolpath, Male. A male toolpath is just going to mean that that's the shape of a part that you want to cut out. You can select a material from the library. Under Basic Cut, you want to select the tip and the material you're using because that'll determine your offset. We're going to go with 045 steel 30 amp. And you can adjust things like lead in and lead out. Occasionally you're going to have a problem where it's trying to do a lead in that's larger than a small hole in your part, and it'll either cut through it or just not generate the toolpath. So you may need to change this to something smaller. Now we have a toolpath for our cutout part. We also need to create a toolpath for our text. So we go Machine, Create Toolpath, Online, and this will only work if you have the part you want to make a toolpath for selected. And now when we're at the template, we can go ahead and select Plate Marker as our tool. And we're not going to have lead-ins or lead-outs because this is an online toolpath, meaning it's just going to cut exactly over the lines that already exist. Now what we want to do is make sure that this thing is starting at the origin. Since we have a lead-in at the lower left corner, we want to place that right at the origin, and it'll snap in place if you have everything selected. Now, again with everything selected, we want to go Export